If you haven't seen Printify's new multi-item listing tool just yet, then you're going to love this video because this is a huge update in the world of multi-item listings, especially if you're someone who's been putting off learning how to sell multiple Printify products in one listing, because this is going to be a huge upgrade to your print-on-demand and Etsy business, so you can have better converting listings in your own store and sell multiple products or even multiple different variations of your products in one listing. There are some important limitations to know with their new tool. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this new feature actually works, how I would actually use it for Etsy, where it falls short, and how I've been using it alongside SimplyListed to automate the mockups for those listings and handle the things that the Printify tool can't do. And hello, if we haven't met before, my name is Cassie Johnson. I'm a full-time print-on-demand and Etsy seller. I've been selling on Etsy with Printify for over 6 years now, and I've sold over $1 million on Etsy to date. And I also run an amazing private community over on School. So if you're someone who needs more accountability, more hand-holding, we do weekly live calls, weekly live listing reviews. We answer your questions in the community, and we have a bunch of amazing trainings. We'd love to support you along the way in your journey. So if you want to check that out, the link will be down in the description, or you can comment the word community and I'll send you that link as well. All right, let me show you how this actually works. Coming over here to Printify, what this will look like is when you select multiple products that you want to sell in one listing, you'll now see this button show up here saying create multi-product listing. And this really is so much simpler than you even might think. Step number one is you'll add your design to each of the products that you want to sell your design on. So here I added the design onto this sweatshirt, and then I'm going to click save. You'll want to set your pricing for this product like normal within the actual listing here, and then click Save as Draft instead of actually publishing it to Etsy. That's going to be the biggest difference from what you're normally doing if you're uploading your designs to Printify and publishing them to Etsy. You'll add your design to the other product. So in this example, I'm adding it to a t-shirt as well. You'll set up your pricing on this page and then again, save it as a draft instead of publishing to Etsy. You can upload your design up to 10 products. They do need to be somewhat related though. So with shirts, you can also combine some things like tote bags and mugs if you want to sell your design on another product like that as well. But not every single different product type can be combined in a listing. And it does have to be under 10 items. You'll know if you can combine certain items if you save them as a draft, you select them, and then you see this multi-product listing button show up in black. You'll see when I don't have everything selected, it'll be gray. But here's how simple it really truly can be, especially if you're just doing a shirt and a sweatshirt in your listing. You just click Create Multi-Product Listing after selecting both of those. When you get to this page, you can set up your title and your description for the product. But the part that a lot of people have accidentally gotten wrong is this next step, so make sure not to miss it. Right here in the listing items section, you'll need to give a variation name for what this product is. So for this example right here, it's a shirt. So we're going to type in the word shirt. So you can see over here on the right, now it's going to show shirt small, shirt medium, shirt large. Whatever you put in here is going to go right before the size. So same thing with this one, we're going to put in the word sweatshirt. You can reorder which one goes first of these options. Then you just need to set your shipping profile. So for this one, I'm using $5.99 for my shipping profile. Now you might be wondering, how are you going to be charging $5.99 shipping when the shipping for that sweatshirt is over $8? Well, the way that it works with multiple products in one listing is you can only use one shipping profile. Etsy really recommends keeping it under $5.99 on Etsy for them to promote your products. And so what you'll do in that case is just charge a couple dollars more for the actual sweatshirt than maybe you would have normally, so that you can keep the shipping price the exact same for all the products. And if you do want a full tutorial on how to actually set your pricing, I will link one down below in the description, where I have an entire YouTube video on how to do the research and then how to properly price your products on Etsy so they're competitive. Lastly, I like to click the Hide in Store button so that the product isn't available to the customer to purchase or see until I've finalized the listings with my mockups and everything. I like to click Show All Variants is available for purchase. So as simple as that, now we can go ahead and click Publish to Etsy. As we can see here on Etsy, now because I clicked that hide in store button, the listing's gonna show up in my draft folder on Etsy instead of in my active folder. And then we'll see this one right here, and it's gonna have the Printify mockups for it. But when we come down to the variations, now you can see that we've got sweatshirt small through 3X, and we've got our t-shirt small through 4XL. And all of these SKU numbers are in here. So any order that comes from this listing is going to be automatically put through from Printify. Now for the next part of the process, you'd normally go make your mockups using something like Canva or Kittl, but I will show you how to completely automate that process using SimplyListed. And make sure to stay tuned because I will also go over what Printify's tool can't do and some tips for these multi-product listings to make sure that they're as optimized as they can be. This is my mockup automation tool that makes this process so much faster and easier. And we did recently make an update where you can make product templates for multiple Printify products that works perfectly with the multi-item listing tool. I do have a link for a 2-week free trial for you down in the description of SimplyListed. And just to give you a quick explanation, SimplyListed is a tool that doesn't come with any mockups. It's a BYOM situation, if you get my drift. So you'll use the same mockups that you've already purchased in your store. This is my example account with mockups that I've purchased for my own store, and you create a template. So this template right here, you can see I made a template. It'd be just like if you make your mockups in Canva or in Kittl. You add all your mockups here, but you're gonna tell SimplyListed where you want the design to go, what color the shirt is, etc. This one I made for the Comfort Color 1717 shirt and the 1566 sweatshirt. So now once I've made this template, which I have a tutorial, I'll link below on how to do that, all you do is click the template and say, okay, this is for the sweatshirt. I'm going to select the product I want to make the mockup for the sweatshirt, and for the t-shirt, I'll select that one as well. And select the one for the t-shirt as well. Click continue. If you want us to make a video slideshow of those images and upload it to the Etsy listing for you, we absolutely will. And just click create mockup. But let's say you have a size guide video that you like to upload to all your listings. You can also click this button and click upload video, and we'll upload it to each of your listings for you. And here's what those mockups would look like. You can use layers when you set up your template. Like in this example, I have the design going behind the necklace. We lower the transparency. We can crop the designs. And so you would only have to do that one time to set up the template. And SimplyListed would automate the rest for you for both of those products. Once you've got the mockups just the way that you want, you'll just click this button and click publish. Now those are publishing the images and the video directly to the Etsy listing. So I clicked refresh, and now you can see all of the mockups that SimplyListed created uploaded here into the listing, along with my listing video. And you can have SimplyListed create up to 20 photos for each and every listing for you, which saves you so much time having to drag and drop all those images, lower the transparency, angle them, etc. Multiple products isn't the only thing that you can use the multi-item listing tool for. You can also use it for multiple sayings. Now there are again a few limitations here with their tool. You do have to keep it under 400 variations, and so you might not be able to use as many colors in your shirt options as possible. Let's say I have a shirt like this, for example, where I made it for a funny camping matching shirt set. This is not all who wander are lost. Some are just looking for Bigfoot, some are just looking for mushrooms, etc. Each of these have 7 sizes and 9 colors, so that's 63 variations total. So in that case, I'd only be able to sell 5 different shirt sets in one listing. And then we can come up here though, if that's how you want it, and click create multi-product listing. Now the biggest difference when we come to this page here is you will want to make sure that these sayings right here for the variations make sense for the saying on each shirt. So you could have it be design 1 and have a page showing design 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Or it can be the actual saying on the shirt, something to do with it. So like another beer, for example. And just like so, and same thing, you can publish those directly to Etsy. And again, even use SimplyListed to automate making the group mockups for you. All right, quick outfit and audio change because my camera fell over and exploded 2 days ago, and I haven't had it fixed just yet, but I want to finish recording this YouTube video. So let's dive into the limitations that the Printify Multi-Item Listing tool has. Number 1 is that you can't use it with Printify personalization. So So if you use Printify personalization for your designs, where they actually customize the text for you when an order comes in, you can still make multi-item and multi-product listings with those if you use SimplyListed's SKU linking system. Limitation 2, like we've already talked about, is you can only have up to 400 variations. So that really does limit you sometimes on how many colors and sizes you can offer for the different products. And then number 3 is you can only have up to 10 products. And that is mainly because of the 400 variation limit that Etsy gives. But again, with SimplyListed, it can help you get around that 400 variation limit. The way that SimplyListed can help you get around the Printify personalization, being able to list more than 10 different products or more than 400 variations, is by creating a custom Etsy listing, and then we're going to copy and paste the SKU numbers from Printify into the Etsy listing using SimplyListed's SKU linking system. You'll start here on Etsy, and on the top right, click Add a Listing. Then you have to set up the variations. So clicking here on Manage Variations, I already added some in here. So let's take that example like I was showing you before, where I had the 10 different sayings, but each of them came in 9 colors with the 7 sizes. So that would actually be 630 variations with all of that combined. And so if I want more than the 400, I still can list those by doing it like this. I have the name as saying/size. And then I added in all of my variation options. So we still only have the 2 drop downs that Etsy gives us. And so the first one, I have design 1 in size small, design 1 in size medium, and so on. Then I have design 2 in size small, design 2 in size medium, etc. And I would have a page showing what design 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way through 10 actually say, so that I don't have to type them out. And that way I can actually fit the sizes along with it. So I have all the way down to size 10. So then for the second drop-down option, I have the color. So I have all 9 of the color options for the comfort colors that I chose for my designs. Now you'll see when I click that the prices vary for the saying and the size and color, I get that there are too many variations. And so for this, it is important that you set your prices on those products on Printify. So right here on Printify, you'd want to set your pricing on this page, because SimplyListed can copy and paste in your pricing here. So if you try and copy and paste manually all the SKUs when you have over 400 variations, it won't even let you apply it and save this. So what you'll do is set a set price for those. So just like $19.99 and the 999 quantity, and then you'll save this listing as a draft. And this is where SimplyListed really shines. So again, this part, you can do it for the Printify personalization, over 10 variations or over 400 variations. And here what you'll do is click Choose Products. SimplyListed connects directly with your Printify account. Now, if you saved a design as a draft on Printify, you'll click this Sync button up at the top, and that'll bring in any new products that weren't published to Etsy yet. And then you'll select all of your different products that you want to link to the Etsy listing. Click Continue. Now it's asking for the listing ID, which you can get right here at the top of the URL of the Etsy listing. Once I paste that in there and click Confirm, now it's going to show me design 1, 2, all the way through 10, and I just need to match up which one's which. Just make sure this matches what you put in the photo for the customers to choose from. And I'm just gonna match them one by one, design 1 all the way through 10. And then this button down here, Link Prices. I do want to select this because now SimplyListed is going to copy and paste the prices from Printify over into the Etsy listing. And click Continue. Now when we come back over to Etsy, if I refresh this page, we're gonna see all of those prices and SKU numbers show up here in the listing. So now you can see we have 630 variations. See, we can't edit any of this stuff. And so that's why it's important that the pricing was set over on the Printify side first. So now all of these orders will be completely automated when they come into Printify, just like normal. And lastly, just a couple rules of thumb with your multi-item listing and multi-variation listings. Number 1 is you want to optimize the title and the tags for only the product in the main image. Let's say you're selling a matching shirt set for bachelorette parties, and you want to use a tote bag to sell in that listing as well. That way one item in the listing is less expensive than everything else, and the bachelorette bachelorettes might actually want to buy a tote bag anyways, that's a great option to choose from, but I wouldn't mention the tote bag anywhere in the title or the tags. So same thing with if you're selling shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, and long sleeve shirts. If it's a short sleeve shirt in the main image, typically what we see is people only including stuff in the title and tags about the shirt, because you only want to be coming up in the search results for items that match your main thumbnail image. Now you can duplicate your Etsy listing, change the main image to say a hoodie or a sweatshirt, and then change the title and tags to match that. That way you have two identical listings, but one is optimized for sweatshirts, one optimized for shirts. That's always a great option as well. So you're showing up in multiple places, but you're very targeted to a specific customer. And number two is that less is not always more. Don't feel like you need to stuff as many products as possible in one listing. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it, and just try your hand at these multi-item and multi-variation listings, because they do convert really well, but don't let it become this big mountain in your head. It can be really simple as well. And I do have links to sign up for Printify and Simply Listed down in the description as well. I hope you found this so helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.